Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top 4 best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is the most premium tablet the company has ever made, and it's packing a lot of improvements and power beneath that massive 14.6-inch screen. Larger than many laptops, it's only natural that if you get one of these bad boys, you should also get something to protect it or even add functionality to it. At launch, there weren't many third-party accessories for the largest of the Tab S8 series, but the cases are finally pouring in, and we've compiled a list of the best Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra cases for every style and budget. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra cases, so let's get started. 4. Rinky Fusion. Rinky's Tab S8 Ultra and S Pen setup may appear odd at first, with the S Pen slot protruding above the right upper edge of the tablet. If you plan to carry your Tab S8 Ultra in a bag with books or a laptop, this design makes perfect sense. It won't cause extra pressure where your S Pen protrudes between layers. Because it's thin and clear, there's no way to add foam, gel, or significant air cushioning to this case. Rinky, on the other hand, provides 2 anchor points for straps, allowing you to wear the Tab S8 Ultra like one of those giant clock necklaces from the 1980s. 3. Samsung Official Book Cover. When looking for best-in-class accessories, the first place to look is Samsung's own. They're a little pricey, but you can't really go wrong with them. The official Samsung book cover provides wraparound protection for your device's back as well as the large 14.6-inch display. It adds grip to your device while preventing most accidental scratches. It also has a S Pen holder and can sit your device on its own because the book cover folds into a stand. It's not cheap at $99, but it's perfectly suited to the Tab S8 Ultra's bulk. 2. Sub 5's case. Military 25-foot drop test certification obtained. Front and inner covers are made of PC, while the back cover is made of silicone. Triple protection in 3 forms. The inner cover contains 4 multifunctional cushions that absorb heat, prevent scratches, and act as a drop buffer. RoHS certification is obtained for health-friendly materials, the absence of chemical toxic substances, and the absence of pungent odors. There is no built-in screen protector. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case includes a strong kickstand and turntable. Choose a perfect angle for what you want. For watching videos, attending conferences, typing, and drawing. Ideal for office workers, students, parents, and kids. 1. Pro. Case Slim Case. Made with a soft PU exterior and a PC frame, the soft microfiber interior provides excellent protection against daily use. The ultra-slim and lightweight hardback adds little bulk while protecting your valuable device. Wireless pencil charging and attachment are supported by a pre-cut slot on the back. A trifold stand allows you to adjust different angles to suit your viewing or typing needs. Auto sleep/wake feature is supported, a magnet secures the case closure, and it is simple to snap on and off. Complete access to all features, cameras, speaker, ports and buttons. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.